Hi, I am your friend Avinash, and today's video topic is access modifiers in Java. Modifiers are of two types, access modifier and non-access modifier. Access modifier, again there are in access modifier there are again four types. The first one is public, private, default and protected. There are in total 7 non-access modifiers. Example: static, final, abstract, synchronized, transient, strict FP, native. Access modifiers, private access modifier is accessible only within the class, but it is not accessible within package or outside package by subclass or outside package. Default access modifier is accessible within the class as well as within the package, within the same package, but it is not accessible outside package by subclass or outside packages. Now the next one, protected access modifier, is accessible within class, within package and also outside package by subclasses, but it is not accessible outside other packages. And last one is public. It is accessible everywhere, that is within class, within package, outside package by subclass and outside other packages. Now let's discuss one by one. Access modifier in Java specifies the accessibility or scope of a field, method, constructor or class. We can change the access level of the constructor, method and class by applying access modifiers on it. First one is private. The access level of private access modifier is only within the class. It cannot be accessed from outside, otherwise JVM will throw compile time error. If you make any class constructor private, you cannot create instance of that class or object outside into the any other classes. Private constructor is private access modifier is used for the security purpose. If you want our data more secure, we use private access modifier. Now the next one is the default. The access level of default access modifier is only within the same package. It cannot be accessed from outside of the packages. If there is no any access modifier specified, then it is default by default. It provides more accessibility than private, but it is more restrictive than protected and public. Now the next one is protected. The access level of protected modifier is within the package and outside the package through child class, that is inheritance only. If you do not make the child class, it cannot be accessed from outside the packages. Now the next one is public. The access level of public access modifier is everywhere. It can be accessed from within the class, outside of the class, within the package, outside of the package. It has widest range of widest scope among all other access modifier. If you use access modifier with if you are overriding an method, overridden method that is declared inside the subclasses must not be more restrictive than the method present in superclass. Otherwise, there will be compile time error. Thank you. That's all about access modifiers in Java.